both soul, body and mind to be turned into firefighters, emergency rescue personnel, and so on. When they came some 3 or so months ago, they were completely different. You know, they were really police officers that had come out of the training school, ready to serve in that line. But after interacting with them for 3 months plus, they are quite changed. Now they are oriented to emergency services, they are oriented to rescues, they are oriented to firefighting, and that's why you saw, sir, that they were quite busy, energetic, and concerned when they were doing the demos outside there. So I congratulate you once again and wish you all the best in life, in the service of your country. But remember the core values of the Directorate, particularly fire service, which also pertain to other countries, that courage is being one of them, being courageous, because what you face is not always the same. Some situations are quite challenging and scaring, but it takes courage and professionalism to handle and manage. So remain courageous, committed to service, but also disciplined and ready to render that service that is required by the public, ready to rescue that life that is in distress.
Twagala erinnya lya police likomewo. So b'ofisa nga bayamba omuntu wa bulijjo. Omuntu wa bulijjo alina kusiima obuyambi nti yes kyetwagala. Ne tebamuyambye omuntu azze ku police station tafunye buyambi, tebamuwulira ekituufu n'addayo ng'anyenya mutwe. Twagala abantu abulijjo tubayambe bakomewo gye tuli, kubanga enkya ojja kwagala information kuba mukyalo gundi. Ani akuwa? Omuntu abulijjo. So bwe tuba nga tukolagana information ejja mangu. Ejja kukola n'amaanyi kulaba nti basomesa abantu ab'omu butale, abamu basipaaka, wa masomero n'awalala wonna wonna. Tuziyiza tutya emiriro? 2, omuliro nga gukutte tuyambaganye tutya? So kintu kikulu nnyo. Then abasirikale baleme kubeera n'empisa ensiiwufu. Agenza wali omuliro oba dduuka ki, ate atandise kwetika bintu ebiva mu dduuka nga ofisa wa poliisi ng'ali mu uniform, ekyo tekikkirizibwa.